I am Maria Ina Calabig, living in San Mateo, San Pablo City, 22 years old, and I graduated from Cardamaray Development Institute, INC, in Trancabay, Laguna, in July 27, 2023. In short, I'm a fresh graduate. My family background, my family is a jeepney driver and my mother is a housewife. And I have 3 siblings and they are all studying. And I am a breadwinner of our family. My relevant work experience is as a secretary in a co-op where I also discuss the process of each transaction in that cooperative. I use my IT skills in my senior high and college level. I take computer programming and the languages that we use are Java programming, PHP, MySQL, and C++. In my college, I experienced being a service desk on my on-the-job training, which is a customer service that talks to clients about their concerns with errors in their branch apps or website. I want to work in algorithmic because I want to able to share my programming knowledge about to the younger than me. And I also need a job to help my parents and to support my siblings to their studying. You should hire me because I am reliable for being on time, kind to children, and I will make sure the students learn something. I learn quickly and I can also help your business grow. At first, I just look quiet, but I have a lot of stories. I am open to all work if I am needed for that work, and I'm sure that you can you can count on me and trust me.